In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a GoDaddy domain to Render. Now, the first thing that you need to do is sign into your GoDaddy account, click on your name in the top right, and then we will go into My Products. From here, you want to scroll down and find the domain which you want to use, and just click on DNS. Here, we will copy the domain itself. So I'm just going to copy this domain and go back into Render. From the left hand side, if you click on settings and scroll down, you will see an option for a custom domain, and you want to click on add custom domain. Here we will just paste our GoDaddy domain and click on add domain. Now in order to add it and confirm it, we will need to create two CNAME records. So go back to GoDaddy, click on add new record. The type is going to be a CNAME record. The first host name is going to be www, and you want to copy this target value and just right click and paste it. Afterwards, you will click on save. Then you will need to get an A record here. So the name is going to be at rather not A, and then copy again the target value. Again, you want to paste it here, and again you will click on save. After you have done this, then you will just click on verify right here at the bottom, and it's going to verify your domain. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.